Daven TV Prime will be coming up tonight. So this is Daven crew wishing you all a very good night. And happy birthday to me! Good night to you all.
Spaghetti, Napolitan, Cuisine is shining bright. A Fermat, my cooking what brings us to life. Gaku is wanting to be a mathematical cook, and Kai is taking a new level for a new look. Let's go! Napolitan, a Fermat to a recipe, a format of food for a new cuisine. A healthy start to make the meal, healthy throughout the day. A healthy #1 format, rated 5 stars to today. Setting our full cuisine.